Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Honda multi-fuse. Honda uses these instead of several separate fuses for the higher amperage circuits, like the fans, as well as for the main fuse that feeds these smaller circuits. You can see through the side of them to see if the fuses are blown. I rarely ever see any of these blown except for the main fuse when someone jump starts the car backwards. But they're pretty easy to change. They're usually 1 or 2 8mm bolts. They also have a Phillips head in them, but I would recommend just using the 8mm socket. And then once you remove the bolt, or multiple bolts, there is a tab on the side. You just have to pry that to the side carefully and then pull these fuses straight out. To reinstall, just push it back in and reinstall the bolts. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.